Hello everyone. Here I would like to present my final exam public speaking, namely summarize the journal that title about the teacher talk in online learning verbal interaction using the Flanders Youth Interaction Analysis Category System. My name is Nazli Amelia from English Department 2020E in Medan State University. The first is introduction. As the world is facing the COVID-19 pandemic, teaching and learning process could only be done through classes. Having a different environment could be resulting in unfamiliarity and staggering. This was also found in the researchers' observation in an online classroom by one of the English teachers in SMP Ahmad Yani Binjai. In the observation for getting the preliminary data, it was found that the teachers' talk that occurred during the classroom interaction mostly was an indirect influence. The teacher focused more on asking questions, initiating the students to talk, repeating students' responses, and also making jokes to make the class to be more joyful. Concerning the situations, the research aimed to first is identifying and classifying the types of teacher talk that are applied to the students during an online verbal interaction in the classroom. Second is analyzing the realization of the teacher talk is applied during an online verbal interaction in the classroom. The last is explaining the reason why the teacher talk is applied during an online verbal interaction in the classroom based on Flanders Interaction Analysis Category System. Review related literature. The first is classroom interaction. Noni 1994 states that through interaction, students will be able to increase their language skills and level as interaction provides a lot of input and output through listening and speaking. Encourage students more in using the language and provide students acquisition and acquaintance with the language. Teacher talk. Teacher talk as described by Sinclair as cited in Yanfan and Yukin 2010 77 is the language used most frequently in classroom interactions such as giving instruction, describing events, and testing students' comprehension. Types of classroom interaction. The types of classroom interaction, there are three types. The first is teacher-learner interaction. Teacher-learner interaction is mostly done by the teacher as it involves the teacher interacting with the students about the content of the lesson, asking questions, giving direction, and criticizing or justifying the students' talk. The second is learner interaction. This interaction should be well structured and managed to help the students get the cognitive development, educational achievement of students, and emerging social competencies. The last is teacher-whole classroom interaction. This interaction happens mostly in AFL classroom as the teacher needs to initiate teacher-whole class interaction by asking questions and receiving students' responses. Types of teacher talk. Types of teacher talk, there are two. The first is response or indirect influence, namely accepting feelings, praises or encourage, accept or uses ideas of students, ask questions. The second is imitation or direct influence, namely lecturing, giving indirection, criticizing or justifying authority. Research methodology. This research uses the descriptive qualitative method with the naturalistic inquiry approach. The descriptive qualitative methods are considered to be relevant to the research because the study involves with the collection and analysis of the data to explain the existing occurrence within a natural context. The data were taken from a classroom interaction in SMP Ahmad Yani Binjai between an English teacher and the 8th grade students. This is one of the private schools located in Binjai, North Sumatra. Data analysis. The first is the types of teacher talk applied in online verbal interaction. According to Flanders 1970, teacher talk can be classified into two types, namely direct influence and indirect influence. Based on the data identified, it was found that there were 165 or 60.22% teacher talk that belong to direct influence, and there were 109 or 39.78% talks that belong to indirect influence. So, it can be concluded that direct influence the most dominant. Second is the realization of teacher talk applied in online verbal interaction. Based on the analysis of the data, it was found that there were 6 out the 7 types of teacher talk based on Flanders interaction analysis category system. The overall talks produced by the teacher themselves were 274 talks, in which the most dominant types of interaction was giving direction with 63 talks or 22.99%, and the less dominant was accept or use ideas of students with 35 talks or 12.77%. Discussion. The research discussed the teacher talk that was used by the English teacher in junior high school, as teachers tend to adapt their language to the target language to promote the language to the students. The teacher talk becomes particularly important in language teaching, while for indirect influence there were lecturing, giving direction, and criticizing or justifying authority. It was found that the teacher did not use all types of teacher talk that Flanders proposed. The last type of teacher talk, which is criticizing or justifying authority, was not found in the classroom interaction. Therefore, the realization of teacher talk itself is not fully conducted. The types of the teacher talk used by the teacher during the meeting because of the following reasons. The first was to influence the students to acquisition of or foreign language. The types of the teacher talk used by teacher during the meeting because of the following reasons. The first was to influence the students to acquisition or foreign language. The second reason was to influence the students' participation in the classroom. The third reason was to motivate the students. This reason correlates with the previous one. The last is conclusion. The main types of teacher talk identified in the classroom verbal interaction were both indirect influence and direct influence. The most dominant category was giving direction from direct influence with 63 talks or 22.99%, and the less dominant category came from the indirect influence, which was accepting or using the ideas of students with 35 talks or 12.77%. 6 out of 7 categories of teachers' talk itself could be found from the online verbal interaction, other than the least category from the direct influence, which was criticizing or justifying authority, which was not used by the teacher at all during the classroom interaction. In regards to the last problem, the researchers found that there were 3 reasons for the teacher to use the teacher talk the way it was, namely, First, to influence learners to acquisition of foreign language. Two, to influence the students' participation in the classroom. And the last is to motivate and students in classroom. Okay, that's all about my presentation about the teacher talk in online learning verbal interaction using the Flanders Interaction Analysis Category System. And thank you.